Is your iPhone showing an unread message badge that won't go away? Let's fix it in under a minute. First, open Settings, tap Notifications, then choose the Messages app. Toggle badges off. Wait a second, then toggle badges back on to refresh the badge state. If that doesn't work, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Messages, and Offload app to clear its cache without losing data. Next, force close Messages by swiping up from the bottom and flicking the Messages card away, then reopen the app. Finally, restart your iPhone. Hold the power and volume button, slide the power off, then turn it back on. Here's the before: persistent red badge on Messages despite 0 unread count. After those steps, the badge is cleared, no missing notifications, and the icon looks normal. If the badge still shows, delete and reinstall Messages or update iOS. That usually fixes stubborn glitches. Recap: toggle badges, offload cache, force close, restart, and reinstall if needed. Tip: keep iOS updated and restart your phone occasionally to prevent badge errors in the future. Try these steps now. If it worked, like and subscribe for more quick fixes.